Hey everybody, this is Linda Ryder. I'm here with Gretchen Moen. We are off the cuff for Cut the Clutter RVA. Today we are standing in Gretchen Moen's attic. A few scary little things lurking around here. And so with that in mind, we thought we would do a special offer for the month of October where we would give you a free hour whenever you book 5. So whenever you call to schedule 6 hours, you get one free. We realize that there are some people that just want to kind of tackle their attic on their own and give it a go. So for you guys, we want to give you a few tips and hints on what to expect and the best way to start. So number one, you need to know that it's going to be dirty up here. So wear some older clothes, things that you don't care about quite so much. Number two, you're going to need a lot of light. So make sure you've got an extension cord, a movable light, something like that. Number three, you're going to want lots of trash bags. Trash bags are great for throwing away all those things that you put up here 20 years ago thinking you just loved and had to have. Now you don't want them anymore. Number four, take breaks. It's important. Number five, many hands make light work. So all the people that are going to have to make decisions about the things in your attic, see if you can get them there, right? Number six, there are going to be emotional items that you're going to go through. So you're going to want to set those to the side and realize that you're not necessarily going to make decisions on them all at one time. So with that being said, I'm going to hand it over to the Smarty Pants and she's going to give you the process.
Thank you. So it's a 6-step process. So step one is always sort. Put like items together into categories. Get them all sorted out. Step two is get rid of the trash. Use those trash bags. Step three is start to decide what's keep, donate, and sell, right? And for the donate and the sell, our recommendation is create zones downstairs out of the attic for each of those things. So you can kind of gather them and then figure out what to do next. The fifth step is giving yourself, as Linda said, some grace and some time with those emotional items. Baby clothes, photos, kids' artwork, those things take time. Take them down out of the attic, set them somewhere, and plan to go through them on a regular basis till you're done. And then reload. You need lots of bins. You don't want to use cardboard boxes if you can help it.
Clear bins.
Clear bins, label them, put them on shelves if you can do it. So as Linda said, we're running a promotion, 6 hours, and you get an hour free for the month of October. And it's a perfect, very cooler time to do your attic. So give us a call.
We would love to help. And oh, by the way, while you're here, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We always have great, helpful hints.
Sure.
We always have great, helpful hints and tricks.
Yes.
I'll edit that.